We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this to us.
Hey everyone, it's Michelle and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look right here I created for Jeffree Star's new launch, the Brain Freeze palette. I thought that it would be really fun to come up with something. Brain Freeze, who knows what that looks like really, right? It's on the inside, but I just thought coming up with like icicles coming from your head, all blue, shiny, would be the perfect idea for a Brain Freeze look, and I just thought it would be really super fun. Jeffree Star's makeup is always like super fun and exciting, and his palettes just look so beautiful. The Jawbreaker palette and the Brain Freeze, I'm dying to get my hands on them, but I really wanted to create a look just inspired by the palette. So if you're interested in looks like that, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and it's free, so why not? Subscribe. I'd love to have you. Join my little family and comment down below and say hi. I love making new friends, interacting with my subscribers, and I always check you out and subscribe back. I love supporting other YouTubers. It's really important to me that we support each other. So I'm going to get into this look that I created right here. If you're interested, then please keep watching. We're using the James Charles palette, and we're going to go in the crease with this color right here. I'm just going to use a little of this white to blend. Back to the blending brush. So we're going to use NYX's cream eyeliner in Killing It. That is gorgeous. Look at that shade. It's a little chunky, to be honest with you. A little chunky. Jeez, I'm always dropping things.
No, I can't sing for long. Kiss me like you love me for life, even if it's only one night.
Let's try some of this.
Cause I've been coming down that slope, drinking in the morning to get up and go. Now I can sing for long. Now I can sing for long. I can sing for long in my home. No, I'm in my fucking zone, in my zone.
NYX Twilight Tint. NYX cream eyeliner again, Killing It for the lower lash line. Just a little blue pigment. Be Bold Hard Candy Colored Mascara in the color Staycation. I even made a slushie so I can hold a slushie and make it look like I'm having brain freeze. I think that'll be really cool. This is like a turquoise color, but it's very subtle. So I have these icicles that I made. So we're just gonna use some lash glue.
'Cause I've been coming down that Saturday slope. Drinking in the morning to get up and go. Now I can sleep alone. Now I can sleep alone.
I'm gonna try some of this NYX liner on the lips. I think I want something dark though.
In my zone. You smell like you. You smell like you. You move right, saying late night driving.
Cute little stars. Because it's Jeffree Star, bitch, you need to have the stars.
See me like you.
I want to try to make it look like the icicles are not just sitting there. Make it look like they're actually starting from up in my forehead here.
Tell me that I haven't changed. Now I can sleep alone. Now I can sleep alone. I can sleep alone in my home. No, I'm in my fucking zone. In my zone. You smell like you. You smell like you. In my zone.
And we're just going to use some iridescent glitter.
In my zone. No, I can't sleep alone. Kiss me like you love me.
Trying to make them look like they're coming out of the forehead more. Coming from my brain. Giving me a brain freeze. I'm just using this shade right here. Putting it a little bit on the tips of the icicles.
Drinking in the morning to get up and go.
So this is the final look. I think it came out pretty cool. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you enjoyed it and would like to see more from me. And until the next time, bye!